Hey everyone, this is Steve and Georganna with the Missirlian Group, and we're here to talk today about homeowners associations, what they are and the benefits of being in one or not being in one. A homeowners association is a community comprised of owners within townhome complexes, condominiums, or subdivisions. And the reason for a homeowners association is to preserve the overall community.
The benefits to having an HOA, also short for homeowners association, are the following. So the number one thing that we believe is a huge benefit is if you like to have amenities such as a swimming pool or a gym or door staff in your building, you'll definitely get this perk when you pay into an HOA. The second thing is that oftentimes your utilities are included in your HOAs. So when you pay that fee every month, that'll also include your heat, your gas, sometimes your cable, your internet. So you're paying into it every month, but you also pay less utility bills oftentimes. Another perk is that maintenance costs are shared. If the building needs a new roof, all the owners, they come together and they pay their portion of their ownership for that new roof. Whereas if you lived in a single family home and you needed a new roof, you'd have to pay, out of pocket entirely for that cost. And the last thing is that you get to know your neighbors actually really well. A lot of HOAs, they oftentimes have social events with the building, holiday parties, pool parties, fitness classes, book clubs, different things like that. So it's really a good opportunity also to get to know your neighbors.
So here are some of the cons of being part of a homeowners association. Your monthly HOAs. Your monthly HOAs, they'll never go away. In fact, they will most certainly go up. As the building gets older, there's general upkeep that has to be made, such as facade repairs. The lobby needs to continuously be updated, wages to be increased within door staff, management, maintenance. And so all that is paid for through your HOA fees every single month. As opposed if you owned a home, of course, a single family home, you would not have a monthly HOA. Number two is your hands are tied. So what I mean by that is, for example, say the lobby needs a full renovation because it's old and outdated, and say it's going to cost $200,000 to do the lobby, and you don't like the look of the new lobby. Well, unfortunately, your say only goes so far. It may have been voted on by the entire building, but say it's a 500 unit building, your vote only goes so far, and you could end up with a major lobby renovation that you don't approve of and don't think it looks very good. The third con of being in a homeowners association are what's called special assessments. What that means is, say a building requires a huge project such as new windows, and say the association itself is not budgeted for it, meaning the reserve fund cannot cover the entire cost of the windows. What will happen is owners will be specially assessed a certain amount of money, which happens quite often, and that could be anywhere, say $5,000 up to $50,000, depending on the building itself, how much work needs to be done, how much money is and was in the reserves. So those are the three cons.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We work with condo buildings all the time, and we are very familiar with good associations versus not such good associations, and we would be happy to help you out.
Thank you.
Thanks.